SpaceX launches Falcon 9 rockets so often that another mission can feel routine. But on June 23rd, one of those rockets carried something new. It was called Starfall. SpaceX built this wide, uncrewed capsule for a job that sounds simple but is still difficult, bringing valuable cargo back from orbit. That is the real story behind this launch. Getting experiments into space has become easier. Bringing them home safely, quickly, and at a reasonable cost is still a much smaller business. Starfall is SpaceX's attempt to close that gap. The capsule is about 10 feet wide and only 2.5 feet tall. It looks more like a giant hockey puck than a traditional spacecraft. It can carry around 2,200 pounds of payload, which is roughly 1 metric ton. Starfall does not carry astronauts. It is designed for cargo, research equipment, and materials that need to return to Earth. SpaceX says the vehicle could provide routine access to microgravity for scientific research and manufacturing. A customer could send an experiment into orbit, process a material in space, and then recover the result on Earth. Microgravity can change the way fluids mix, crystals grow, and materials form. On Earth, gravity causes convection, sedimentation, and other effects that can disturb these processes. In orbit, researchers can study cleaner and more uniform structures that can matter for pharmaceuticals, advanced materials, optical products, and semiconductor research. But producing something in space is only half the journey. The customer still needs a way to bring it home. That return trip is difficult because a capsule must enter the atmosphere at extreme speed. It must stay pointed in the correct direction, protect its cargo from intense heat, slow down under parachutes, and land close enough for recovery teams to reach it. A failed return can destroy the entire value of the mission. SpaceX already brings cargo home with Dragon, but Dragon is a much more complex spacecraft. It supports missions to the International Space Station, and other versions can carry astronauts. Starfall appears to target a narrower service. It could return uncrewed cargo without requiring a full Dragon mission. That could make smaller and more frequent return flights possible. SpaceX is not the only company working on this problem. Varda Space Industries has already flown spacecraft that process materials in orbit and return capsules to Earth. Its vehicles combine orbital manufacturing with a dedicated reentry system. That competition reveals the larger business behind Starfall. The product is not simply a capsule. The product is the complete round trip. A customer needs a launch, power and control in orbit, time in microgravity, permission to re-enter, a safe landing area, and fast delivery back to a laboratory. SpaceX may have an advantage because it already controls the launch side of the journey. If Starfall becomes reliable, the company could offer more of the process through one system. It could carry the payload into orbit, coordinate its return, and deliver the result back to Earth. That is the business opportunity. But it is not yet a proven business. SpaceX has not shown that Starfall can fly regularly, protect delicate products, meet customer schedules, or compete on price. One demonstration cannot answer those questions, but it can test the engineering that must work first. Starfall needs to control its position during the return. Its heat shield must survive re-entry. Its parachutes must slow the capsule, and the recovery plan must bring the payload back into human hands. If SpaceX can repeat that process, the company could turn re-entry into a service instead of a rare event. There is also a more ambitious idea behind the project. Federal documents describe the possibility of moving critical cargo across long distances through space. A vehicle could launch from one region, travel above most of the atmosphere, and return closer to another destination. That idea could interest emergency services, logistics companies, and national security agencies. But Starfall has not proven that kind of global delivery system. For now, it is better understood as a test of cargo return and microgravity access. The next missions will tell us much more. The important clues will be the payloads SpaceX carries, how long they remain in orbit, how quickly the capsules are recovered, and whether customers are willing to pay for the service. Those details will show whether Starfall becomes a research capsule, a manufacturing platform, a rapid cargo system, or a combination of all three. Falcon 9 made the launch look familiar. Starfall made the mission different. SpaceX helped make launching cargo more routine. Now it is trying to do the same for the journey home. Subscribe for more current stories explained through the technology, money, and systems behind them.